What is software architecture? Software architecture refers to the high-level structures of a software system, the discipline of creating such structures, and the documentation of these structures. In simple terms, it can be termed as software architecture equal to design solution for the business problems to satisfy project goals, by considering budget, functional and non-functional requirements. The high-level structure refers conceptual diagrams or UML diagrams to understand the software system. The structure includes software components, classes, subsystems, external systems, and their interactions. More about software architecture. The software architecture captures elements and their interactions.
Click the link in the description to watch full video.